So we have seen enough of Ansible. So if you want to learn more, you just go through the documentation. And for example, if you want to create a key pair in AWS from using Ansible, it's very easy. You just go to the documentation, and then there you'll find that, and then you create a playbook, and then you create a place in it. Then it's possible to create. So this kind of activities you can do for fun. So you just explore more about these modules. And meanwhile, I just want to conclude this Ansible with this. So because it is endless, it is endless. You can do n number of activities, n number of exercises if you want. But I just want to give you the brief explanation, the complete exercises on inventory. I have given a exercise on inventory, and I have created a simple playbook, and then we have created a complicated playbook, and then there we have installed and service, and then we have deployed the application, and we have run it in the both the machines. So this is how we do it. And you can do even DBs, and you can set the password, and you can create a scheme, you can create a database, and then you can set a password to that, and you can add data. So all the things you can do it through the Ansible. So to conclude, to summarize the Ansible, so we have discussed the difference, the benefits that we get when we go with the configuration management despite of shell script. And then we have seen the history of automation. Then we have seen the difference between the Python dictionary, JSON, and the YAML. And then we have we have digged deep into YAML syntax. And then after the YAML syntax, we have seen some facts about Ansible. So why Ansible is lovable, why Ansible is adorable, because it's simple, it looks simple, it looks clean, and it's basically made of Python. So that's the reason it consists of huge amount of modules. Because of that, you can explore a lot, and by and large you can do each activity. Then we have seen Ansible connections, like how this control machine or main machine, Ansible machine, connects with the is target machines or managed machines, managed nodes. So Linux, SSH, Windows, WinRM, Cloud API. So then we have seen the Ansible architecture, how this whole procedure takes place, from inventory, playbook, modules, then Ansible converting it into the Python script and then packages. Then it will be finally the action will be pushed into the managed nodes. So then after that, we have seen the use cases. It will be useful in almost all everything. So automation, hybrid cloud automation, network automation, edge automation, security automation, infrastructure provisioning, event driven automation, configuration management, application deployment, continuous delivery, orchestration, and point protection. Almost every so by and large, what not you can do, everything you can do with the Ansible. So this is my favorite always. And then we have gone into the we have gone into our first exercise. There we have created four machines, and out of which one machine was made as an Ansible control machine. There we have installed Ansible. And in other three machines, we have, out of three machines, two are for the web application, and one is for the database. And initially we have created inventory, then we have used ad hoc commands. Using ad hoc commands, we have deployed an application, and after that we have written a playbook, and using the playbook we have deployed the application in the both the servers. And with that, we have discussed some the way of the way know-how of documentation, how to use the documentation, and how to go through the documentation. And we have discussed about the modules. So with this, I'm just wrapping up this Ansible. So I would request you to explore more, because it's Ansible is all fun. So, and you just keep watching my videos and keep learning and keep spreading the fun and keep spreading this knowledge to everybody so that everybody can get benefit out of it. And with this, I say thanks and love you all.